Mixed consonant blends with the short vowel I. Let's start with QU on the front and consonant blend LT on the end. And let's sound out our new word. Tap and stretch. Quilt. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Quilt. Now let's say it fast like a word. Quilt. Say it fast. Quilt. Good job. Quilt. My grandmother made me a quilt for my birthday. Now let's put consonant blend ST on the beginning. Okay? And let's tap and stretch our new word. Stilt. Good. Let's tap and stretch that again. Stilt. Let's say it fast. Stilt. Say it fast. Stilt. Ah, stilts are those things you stand on and they make you taller, right? Yeah. Okay, let's put consonant blend MP at the end. And we'll put digraph CH at the beginning. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Chimp. Good. Let's tap and stretch it again. Chimp. Let's say it fast. Chimp. Say it fast. Chimp. Yeah, a chimp is a chimpanzee. Good job. Let's change our front blend to BL and sound out our new word. Tap and stretch. Blimp. Good. Tap and stretch again. Blimp. Good. Say it fast. Blimp. Say it fast. Blimp. Yeah, the blimp is that big aircraft that flies over the football games. I've seen a blimp before. Let's change our first blend to CR and sound out our new word. Crimp. Good. Tap and stretch again. Crimp. Good. Let's say it fast like a word. Crimp. Say it fast. Crimp. Yeah, the girls crimp their hair and it makes it all wavy. Let's change our front blend again, this time to SK. And let's sound out our new word. Tap and stretch. Skimp. Good, let's do it again. Tap and stretch. Skimp. Say it fast. Skimp. Say it fast. Skimp. To skimp on something means to be a little stingy with it. Now let's do a blend with a digraph and an R. Are you ready? It's a big word, but I think we can do it. Shrimp. Do you think you heard a word? Let's tap and stretch it again. Ready? Shrimp. Let's say it fast. Shrimp. Say it fast. Shrimp. Yeah, you guessed right. That is shrimp. I love shrimp. What about you? Okay, let's change our final consonant blend to NT. And we're going to make a long front one. You ready? We're going to do S plus QU on the front. Okay. Now, do you think we can sound this word out? I think we can. We just have to tap and stretch. Take our time. I think we can do it. Let's go. Ready? Squint. Good. Tap and stretch again. Squint. Say it fast. Squint. Say it fast. Squint. Yeah, when you squint your eyes, you kind of tighten them up. Right. All right, let's change this to PR in the front. There we go. It's a smaller word. This should be a lot easier, right? Okay, let's tap and stretch. Ready? Print. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Print. Say it fast, like a word. Print. Good. Say it fast. Print. Yeah, so we print our name at the top of our paper. Oh, look at this. We have a 3-letter blend at the front, SPL. I think we can still do it. You ready? Let's tap and stretch out our sounds. Splint. Good, let's do it again. See if we can hear a word in there. Splint. Good, we're going to try to say it fast. Ready? Splint. 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 Oh, when I broke my arm, they put a splint on it to hold my arm straight. I know exactly what that is. Here's another 3-letter blend on the front. But I think we can do it. We just need to tap and stretch the sounds out together. Ready? Sprint. Good. Let's tap and stretch them again. Sprint. Say it fast. Sprint. Say it fast. Sprint. Yeah, to sprint. To sprint is to run, right? Okay, let's make it a little bit easier. Are we ready? We can make it easier with a shorter blend at the front. Let's tap and stretch. Flint. Good. Let's tap and stretch it again. Flint. Say it fast. Flint. Say it fast. Flint. Flint. Oh, flint is what they use on that TV show when they start a fire with a little piece of metal. Flint. I think that's what that is. And let's do one more with the INT. Okay, are we ready? Tap and stretch. Clint. Tap and stretch again. Clint. Say it fast. Clint. Say it fast. Clint. Yeah, Clint is a name. And we know that our C would have to be capitalized if it were a name of a person or a place, right? Good. Okay. Let's try SK at the end. And we'll do BR at the front. Let's see what blend what word these blends make. Tap and stretch. Brisk. Tap and stretch again. Brisk. Say it fast. Brisk. Say it fast. Brisk. Yeah, brisk means cool. Like it's cool outside. It's brisk. Good. Let's see. Let's try SP at the end and CR at the front. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Let's see what word this is. Crisp. Good, let's tap and stretch it again. Crisp. Say it fast. Crisp. Say it fast. Crisp. Oh, crisp, like crispy potato chips. I love those. All right, let's try blend FT in the back. And we'll do DR at the front. Let's try our new word. Tap and stretch. Drift. Good. Tap and stretch again. Drift. Good. Let's say it fast and see if it sounds like a word. Drift. Say it fast. Drift. Drift. Oh, the wood just drifts on the water back and forth. That makes sense. Let's put our consonant blend FT with our digraph SH and see what we get. Are you ready? Shift. Good. Let's tap and stretch that again. Shift. Let's say it fast. Shift. Say it fast. Shift. Oh, my dad has a car where he has to shift gears. Right. Shift. Let's try consonant blend SW at the beginning. Are we ready? Tap and stretch. Swift. Let's tap and stretch that again. Swift. Did you hear a word? Let's say it fast. Swift. Say it fast. Swift. Swift means to be quick. Swift. Good job. Okay, let's have ST on our blend at the end. And TW can be our blend at the beginning. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Twist. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Twist. Did it sound like a word? Let's check and say it fast. Ready? Twist. Yeah, say it fast. Twist. Oh, I like to twist when I'm exercising or dancing. Okay, let's try our consonant blend PT at the end. And we'll do a big one at the beginning. SCR. Okay. I think we can read it. We just have to blend the sounds together, which is what we do when we tap and stretch. We stretch the sounds into each other. That's how we blend. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Script. Okay, let's do that again. Script. Okay, I almost heard a word. Let's say it fast and see if I was right. Script. Say it fast. Script. Script. Oh, I was right. That's when you read a script because you're going to be in the play. Good job. Excellent work doing mixed consonant blends with short vowel I. Good job.